comic, also very, very funny. He came and did an open mic, and he was absolutely amazing. He's also an amazing tattoo artist. He is as talented as he is funny. Please put your hands together for Todd L. Holly.
I don't want to like beat a dead horse, but let's talk about assholes for a minute. You know that you guys have this happen to you before. You get that walk away wipe. It's like I'm hoping that happens because I didn't go to Costco this week, and it's like there's nothing there. It's like you got to check again, right? It's like no, there's nothing on the paper. It's like fuck yes. You feel kind of my sphincter's working really good today. And I went to Walmart the other day. I was looking for toilet paper, and there wasn't any. And so I went over to customer service. I asked them if they had any, and they said no. And they just kind of looked disgusted. And so I, shuffled back to the toilet with my pants around my ankles. Anyway, I wanted to really. That's not how I was going to start, but I had to address the elephant in the room, so to speak. I wanted to start off by apologizing. It was about 20 years ago. I actually had a chance to get into comedy, and there was a comic that was up and coming, and he was playing at the university town that I lived in at the time. And my buddy was the assistant manager of the hotel that he was staying at. I was like, dude, I really want to meet this guy. I'm really inspired by him, and if you could work some magic. And he did. I got a meeting with the guy, and I was like excited. I was like so excited. I got to his hotel room. I locked the door. I started masturbating right in front of him. And I'm sorry, but that's how Louis C.K. got the idea, I think. Pound me too. I mean, hashtag you too. Right. I'm sorry. I inspired him for his real true calling of masturbating in front of people. I don't remember about as well as I thought it was going to. Anyway, I've been in Kona about a year and a half, and if you've been here any length of time, you know that it's hard to date here. It's a very shallow dating pool. You can chip a tooth or get HPV very easily. And when I first, was here, I was dating this woman who was younger than me, and she wasn't like, she's in her 30s. It was pretty young, much younger than me. But she had this thing. She was like calling me daddy. She's like, yeah, daddy. And I was like, why don't you call me father? Or uncle. That's better. But it started to bother me. I like my women like my COVID-19 and easily spread. But after a while, I couldn't take it anymore. I took a playbook out of my own dad's, game plan. I told her I was going out for cigarettes. I never came back. But it's hard to date here. I mean, I'm not the greatest looking guy. I'm a little bit older. I might only be a 6, maybe a 7 on a good day, right? My 800 credit score says I'm a 9, though. I'll tell you that. It's a true story. I should get a little patch made for my leather. Advertise that shit, right? Here's a tip, though, from your old Uncle Todd. A 350 credit score will prevent identity theft. True story. But anyway, so it's hard to date here. I've been trying, but slim pickings. I've actually had a date not too long ago. I'm a nice guy. I might only have a medium dick, but I'm not going to play hell with the size, but I'm not going to punch the bottom either. Right? It's a medium dick, but it smells like a foot. That's what my urologist said. She's like, it's because I was masturbating with a condom on my way to her office beforehand, because she's really attractive. I didn't want to spring wood right in her face, And I learned something. That's not the best time to ask a woman out when she's, turn her head and cough. I'm like, hey, what are you doing later? Didn't go over so well. That's okay. But I was introduced to a woman recently, and through a mutual friend, and we had a date. And it was a blind date. She didn't have a profile. I wanted to check her out, stalk her a little bit on Facebook first, but I couldn't. She didn't even have a picture up. And it was like, God damn, it was like, last time that happened was like 1997, and back then you're thinking, God, I hope she's pretty, right? Now I'm thinking, I hope she doesn't have a dick, right? And she didn't, and she's not Thai. Literally, the Thai, I don't know, lady boys, is that the right term? I mean, they, for lack of a better word, they set the bar pretty fucking high. You can't tell until they whip it out, right? And just like, they're like the 92 Dream Team of lady boys. Just like the 92 Dream Team, 1 in 12 have AIDS. Poor Magic. But anyway, we had a date. I got a date, and I met her, and she was pretty. She was pretty, but not stunning, which is great, because I want to go out with a woman who's prettier or better looking than me, but not like too pretty, because they tend, somebody's super hot, they tend to be a little full of themselves, and she was a little down to earth. It was great, and she was fit, which is good. I want a woman who's fit but not stronger than me, right? She can't bench press me, right? Or choke me out with Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, right? Because when I can't even go to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu anymore because I start coming when I get choked. So, and the other guys, they ain't so much into that, I'll tell you. Except this one brown belt named Bruce, he was all about that, and he kept trying to do like private sparring sessions. So we had a date, and it was cool. She was smart, and in some ways she was much smarter than me, but not across the board. She had a PhD in French philosophy, right? Which technically that makes her a doctor, right? But it's not the kind of doctor you want diagnosing your hernia, right? I don't care how much Balzac she studied. All right, 3 people got that. Jody, you explain it to your friends later. It was funny. It was funny. I wrote that shit. Anyway, so we're out, and we ran into one of her exes, and sometimes I've been on dates before, and I'm sure you have too, where you run into an ex, and they're just like, not a fucking loser. I can't believe I ever dated that son of a bitch. You fucking, can't believe you fucked my mom, and just because she does anal, she'll go ask them out, and you're just like, Jesus Christ. The fuck? She's like, she's telling you about how she plotted his death with her cousin, and look over at him, and he's giving you death stares, and you just find out that they're still living together, for fuck's sakes, and you're like, I'm gonna be right back, I'm gonna go get some smokes. I never saw her again, that was great. But anyway, we were out on this date, and we ran into one of her exes, and she had nothing but nice things to say about the guy, and he seemed genuinely pleased that she was out having a good time, and he wasn't mean mugging me or anything like that, which is great. It was refreshing. It was nice. And we ended up, having some sex. It was just oral, but guys are easy. It took her like 3 minutes to finish me off. I'd been pounding pineapple juice all week, so that was good. My ex told me once. She says, if I was supposed to go down on you, it would taste like chocolate. And I said, well, it tastes like bleach, so you'll remember to do the laundry. Anyway, so nice guys usually finish last, at least I try to. But she went first, so I understand. I was going down on her for like a half hour, and I'm fucking 55 years old. I know what to do, right? And nothing was working. There's nothing's going on. It's like I'm fucking pulling up porn tutorials on my phone. It's like, what am I doing wrong here? It turns out she was non-orgasmic. Which, that's, I guess, on her. I did everything I could do. I tried so hard. Jesus Christ. So anyway, I don't know how y'all feel about threesomes. You know, you guys, so just specifically. The last threesome I had was a couple I met at a comedy show. Like, no pressure, no pressure. But actually, they were twins. And my buddy was like, Jesus Christ, how do you tell them apart? And I was like, well, it's simple. Julie, she keeps her hair in a ponytail, and Derek, he has a goatee. You know, it's not even true. It's not even true. He's clean shaven. So I was talking with my sister one time about it, and she said, "Oh, you have fantasies?" I said, "Yeah, I got a fantasy about 2 women." She goes, "Oh, really, Todd? You think you can satisfy 2 women at once?" I said, "Fuck no! That's not part of my fantasy at all. Had nothing to do with pleasing them." Jesus Christ! What am I thinking? You know, the older I get, I really only have one fantasy that involves a nurse. Like in a latex suit, you know, with fishnet stockings and, you know, high heels, you know. And, you know, maybe she like waives my copay. And she assures me that my coverage is sufficient, right? You know, maybe she, you know, needs a little Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu on it. Right? Anyway, I want to thank my bar and Rocco and everybody here for fucking having this thing. Right? Dirty Girl Comedy, Justin, always fucking pleasure. Yuto, never met him, we're already friends on Facebook. I still haven't even met him and shook his hand, but he was fucking awesome. Good talk about buttholes and whatnot. It's good. And Yasir's coming up next, and I want to thank you guys all so much. Mahalos, and I love you. It's the best fucking venue I've ever played in my life. Thank you for coming out and not being afraid.
I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, I wanted to.